this is different.
Hundreds.
Like Charlotte just said, there must be hundreds of them up there.
Yeah.
Look at that. What is going on? Look at that. Oh, wow.
Vultures. We have hundreds of vultures.
Yeah.
You can't get them all.
No, I'm trying, but oh my gosh.
Hundreds.
She said it's been for about, what, how many minutes did you say?
20 minutes.
10 or 20 minutes. I don't know. That is wild. Are they getting closer? I don't know. Look at that.
Did they leave South Carolina and Tennessee? Is that where they're from? Are they from?
Yeah, where are they from?
Florida?
They could be from the Carolinas or Florida. Look at that. They're looking for a place to be tonight.
A warm place.
Wow. If you look down at the...
Look, look, look.
Oh, look at that one.
It's really low.
Trying to get over here.
Just have a seat if you want. Don't sit on the shovel. Some of them are so high.
I'm very high. I mean, it goes behind me too. Look at that. They're... Wow. Wow.
Those are vultures.
Charlotte says they're vultures. Wow.
No, they might not be. Wouldn't it be wild if they were all eagles?
They're not eagles. I don't know what they... Oh, wow. Look at that one.
The sunlight is catching them in a beautiful
Something just dove between us.
light.
Wow, you can see the sun coming off of them too. Oh my gosh. My arms are tired at this point. Sorry. Jeez.
Have a seat over here by the alligator.
Yeah.